How to freeze video in CapCut PC. Alright guys, so all you need to do as usual would be to simply import the clip you want to work on. So the next thing is to click on import. So media, click on import and then scroll through your media and select the clip you'd like to import and then click on open. And that clip would now be added to your media. Now, once you've added it to the media bin, just go ahead and drag it and place it here. So it's a simple drag and drop and it would be added here. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do to start freezing your clip is to select the clip and then where we have the freeze, it's a icon here just beside reverse and delete. So all you need to do here is just click on freeze and then a white um, slider is going to open up and then all you need to do is just extend this to how long you want your frozen frame to be. Now, if you want to be more precise with this, you could use the timeline zoom to simply increase your timeline zoom. So you can see each frame here. We have 10, 20, and the minutes keep counting. So you can reduce your freeze or you can increase it. So let's say I want to go ahead and delete this frozen page now. All I need to do now is just simply click on freeze, click on the clip and then click on freeze here and then simply minimize your timeline zoom so you can get a better look in how long you're going to be freezing the frame for. And then once you've frozen it to how much you want, just go ahead and add things like audio clips, text, edits and whatnot, and then click on export once you're done and simply export it. All right,